So do I use the Wyckoff? No, I sure don't. I used to. One of my mentors, I had 5 mentors. When I first started, I had 5 mentors. I paid a lot of money. So for me, I believe in invest in yourself before you invest in the market. Now, it took me losing a lot of money joining a group that did literally 20 charts a day, and I got wrecked. I didn't know what I was doing. So because of that, I got another mentor and another mentor and another mentor. So I got a total of 5 mentors, and one of them showed me the Wyckoff method. And I was like, oh my gosh, this is great. I'm going to make so much money. And he showed me what dates to pull from, etc., etc. And, it talks about the accumulation. This is just general stuff. This is just the price cycle. You have accumulation, you have the markup, distribution, markdown. But we're talking about the Wyckoff theory. This it is right here. This is the most important part, the spring. Why is this the most important part? Well, because it goes ups and downs, and then the spring is when it catapults. It goes and it does a retest and it breaks its resistance level, and then now to the moon. If you think about it, you give any chart enough time, it's going to break resistance levels. It's going to break necklines of cup and handles, of inverse head and shoulders, of anything. I break down stuff super simplistic. It's ridiculous. And I see all these people using the Wyckoff theory right now. Let's break this down. We have the spring. The spring is the most important part, in my opinion, because this tells you when it hit its lowest point. This is the low. That's what we look for, right? We look for the low so we can get in. This is the spring. Remember that. This is the spring. Now, we come over here. Here's another one. And this is great. This is the schematic part number 2. Okay, I'm looking for the spring. Where's the spring? Wait. So you're saying it could have a spring or it could not have a spring? Okay. Okay, that's fine. We're looking for areas of resistance. Why are you going to look at a Wyckoff theory, which it could do this and then come down, spring, come up, and now it's moving? You just needed more time. You just needed 2 more months. Just like patterns, this gives you the false sense of security. It gives you biased mindset to where it's either going to go up or we're reaching the spring now, and this is the area of the spring, and now it's going to come up. Now, everything I show you is not only from thousands and thousands and thousands of hours of backtesting, but also entries. I lost so much money. I lost around, I'd say 85% of my entire portfolio doing the Wyckoff. I'm a registered nurse. I work a crap load of overtime. I love overtime. They love me. Man, do they love me. So I didn't lose $30. I lost a lot of money. I made it all back, not trading this. Why? Well, because there was plenty of times where I saw some and they did this to the T. Spring started coming up, broke resistance. Man, I'm going in hard. Put a lot of money in. Came back down for the test. This part right here came back down for the test and came up. But then for this part, it didn't go higher. It met it, came down, broke this support, then broke this support. What? No, that's not supposed to happen. Came further down. Started doing this number again. Started coming up. Oh, now it's a spring. Okay, I was just early. I was 30% too soon. Enter. Now, granted, I'm trading on the daily time frame. I'm not trading on a 5-minute or, because I can already see that in the chat, oh, the time frame. No, I'm trading on the daily. Like I had a mentor who showed me all this stuff. Sure enough, daily time frame happened again. And I entered. And then it kept on going sideways. I was in these coins for 6, 7, 8 months. I lost 85%. I sold. And then, of course, I got into other trades. Now the market's starting to get a little bit better and made some decent money. So just give you a heads up. Do I do the Wyckoff? No. Support, resistance. That's it. Keep it simple. This is all it is. All this is support resistance. But if you have the mindset of, oh, we got the spring already. This was the lowest part. We're coming up. More than likely if we come down, this is support. But if it breaks the support, well, then here's our next support. I don't need to remember, the selling climax, the automatic rally, the secondary test. I don't need to remember any of this stuff. I trade support resistance. So hopefully that helps.